I don't know why nobody's talking about it. This smells awesome. Well, muy rico. I bought this in Holland. Is a compliment getter. Smells, let's see. It's very nice, man. Apart from reviewing cars, I love perfumes. Me gusta perfumes. I love watches too. The top notes, notas de salida, we have pink pepper, we have rosemary, we have cardamom, notas de corazón, which is the middle notes. You can get sandalwood, we have vetiver, we have patchouli, we have agarwood, and the base notes we can get is nota base, we can get vanilla, amber, and tonka. For me, it smells the soft out performance average. I sprayed this since I left my house 8 a.m. and this now we have just 3, so almost 8 hours. I still get that vanilla smell. Como 8 horas todavía tengo huele como vanilla, todavía está muy fuerte. Yo tengo como 8 horas que salí de mi casa y todavía huele chidation, man. Muy irrigation, man. First, listen to this story and tell me what you think. Tengo un cuento, pero voy a contar algo y me dice qué piensa. There's this boy that had a girlfriend. They are very young, 21. The girlfriend is like 18. Hay este chico que estaba como 20 años, su novia tiene como 18, algo así. So this boy wanted to get to the university, but the girlfriend said no. Su novia dijo no, tú no voy a entrar a la universidad y todo eso. But the reason behind it will shock you. What's the reason? That when he gets to the university, he will start chasing other girls. Come on. Que cuando su novia va a la universidad, vas a buscar otras mujeres. But he's going to the university to study. Pero vas a la universidad para estudiar. So the girl was against the guy getting to the university. After many years, the guy didn't go because of the love he had for the girl. No fue a la universidad porque le ama a su mujer mucho, ¿no? Y resulta que this guy had to look for one kind of job like that because he didn't go to university and gave his dad excuses, all those stuff. Y resulta que cuando los dos tuvieron problemas, then years pass. After a while, they had issues. So this girl now found admission, started her university. Meanwhile, the guy didn't go because the girl said that he's going to look for that. He should not go because there are all those that he should not go because he's going to look for girls there, blah blah blah. After a while, the girl enrolled into university. Do you know when this girl finished, they quarreled? Now, the bad thing is that this guy didn't go to university. El peor es que este chico no fue a la universidad porque su novia no quiere que pues buscas otro papayas, no? Spanish people understand what's papaya. They don't want the guy to look for more girls. This girl graduated, now has a good job. Now the guy, no university, and this girl taught this guy how to drink. You get? This guy now, you don't have any girlfriend, you didn't go to university, now you're addicted to alcohol. So I'm just saying this, we guys will be, yes, love and everything, but let's be careful. Let's use our number 6, man. El chico ya no fue a la universidad y su novia le dije, su novia ya graduó. Now, ahorita él no tiene universidad, no tiene estudios, aparte ya está como borracho, siempre toma alcohol. Let's love, but let's not be stupid. ¿Cuál es mi consejo de todo? Sí, vamos a amar a nuestra mujer y todo, pero no tenemos que ser tontation, man. No tenemos que ser tan It's crazy, man. One love. Thank you very much. Subscribe. Let there be peace. Let there be love. See you next time.